I don't know what's inside this box from Waterdew Jewelry. Let's find out. Are you ready? So let's do this. I got cute stickers. Waterdew is a small business run by Meital, the artist. She clearly followed my guidelines. I told her that I want black, pink and silver and a little bit of green jewelry. She clearly understood me. She designed this jewelry for me and she didn't tell me what she was making. I did not expect to get so much jewelry from her. Hair clips for my style. I think they're going to match my hair. She also gifted me second-hand clothes from her closet. I'm so excited to try this one on. Look, it's from Lip Service. I'm so lucky. These clothes are from the 2000s. Guess what? The Trip NYC. I love this brand so much. Oh, it's a skirt and it has tennis scores. Wow. Sorry, but I must try it out. Oh, it's a ring. I love eyeballs. Do you want to try everything else on? Let's do it. But not right now. We will in the second part of this video. I'm so excited.